Thank you for choosing to watch this video. We would like to introduce our newest feature, Keyword Spotting by Frogget. With our Keyword Spotting feature, you can monitor your support agent's performance, track any competitors mentioned during the conversations, gather feature requests directly from customers, and detect potential bugs faster. Let us show you how it works during your support agent's conversations with clients. Frogget will spot the keywords you wanted to track and add them all into this spreadsheet, where you will not only get the keyword mentioned and to which category it belongs, but also additional information about the chat and contact. Finally, use the dashboard sheet to visually monitor the live chat performance of your team. Here, you can easily check which categories were mentioned most, competitors for example, but also determine any churn risk or potential fraud. There are plenty of benefits to using our keyword spotting feature, but the most important one is that it helps you capture actionable insights to take informed business decisions. Here are a few examples of how to use the feature. 1. Gather feedback and requests from clients to immediately feed into your roadmap. 2. Point out any dissatisfaction early on to prevent churn. Or 3. Highlight upgrade interests to generate upsells and cross-sells in an automated fashion. But there's more. With the keyword spotting feature, you are able to flag your team's conversations and monitor the performance of your support agents. On top of that, it helps increase the response rate and accuracy of your support and ultimately boosts customer retention and satisfaction rates. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in the keyword spotting feature, click the link in the video description below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more product and customer success videos.